I'm so excited to share this story.
Cool.
So, we did this project with yarn, and what I wanted them to do before they put it on the sheet was I gave everyone a pencil, just to sort of look at the piece they made and sort of interpret what they saw or just draw, kind of a big, thick pencil. And then when she had this paper in front of her, her case manager, I'm not sure, her staff member, was all of a sudden watching her, and he had been tracing her hands, and then she got a hold of the pencil and started writing this, and it said, and she wrote, "I love Steve," and that is her staff worker, and then she wrote, "I wish I knew if I had ever been loved." And Steve looked at that and he said, "I didn't even know that she could write." And that was just groundbreaking for, I think, them to know how to stimulate her, and she has so many things inside of her that she could get out even through writing that they didn't know that she could do. She's such an effusive, happy person, but you know that there's some deep pain in there that she would write that and she could express that. And I think that's was one of the most precious moments I've seen in here, and a really I don't know, those moments happen a lot, but this like significantly touched me that no one knew that she could even write, and she could.